Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is the new shop supervisor, so you gotta watch out for him. He'll ding on something. He goes and inspects everything. All right. Yep. This is Riley, and I sometimes know. This is Riley. Yeah, this is Riley. This is the new shop supervisor. This guy's riding my butt all day. Look at him. So if you look at these, this is what you're going to want to look for. See how that's all dry rotted? See if I can get you in there a little better. See all that? That's all dry rotted. That's known to go on sleds that are older. You get all that heat into that rubber. So these have all got to, these two have got to be replaced. Okay, so we got the new carb sockets, I think that's what they're called. The old carburetor socket. There's the part number. 420-867-300. Carburetor socket. We'll transfer these to these and then we'll install them. Now if you wanted to pull these out to check inside the piston and stuff, you just grab these and they just slide right out. The pedal box. You want to look, make sure that these aren't bent, so that you look for any openings. And then you can look up inside. And you just push them back. Here, I'll show you. You look up in there. You see the piston. Looks good. Minimal scratches for 5,000 miles. So, I mean, that's as much as I can see. But there's the piston right there. It's got the moly coating on it. And it's just minimal scratching. So, put this back in. And then we'll put these on. And he's got the new built-in double O-ring that's built right in. So once you tighten them up, they just use a magnet to place them so they don't fall. Let's see, 44 inch-pounds. Or 5 Newton meters. 44 inch-pounds. Okay, now that we got them all snugged up, let's go. 44. 44.81, 44.4, 44.9, 44.5, 44.15. All right, now we'll do the same thing to this one. Alright, get these carbs back on. They have a notch right here that they set in. One down. There. Put those in there, just so nothing gets in them. All right, on to the next thing.